Hi students, today we are discussing about the problems on straightness. First of all, first problem. If the sum of the distances of the point P from two perpendicular lines in a plane is 1, then the locus of P is a option A rhombus, option B circle, option C line, option D pair of straightness. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ సింపుల్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకుంటే ఆ పాయింట్ నేను ఆరిజిన్ గా తీసుకుంటాను టూ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ లైన్స్ x యాక్సిస్ y యాక్సిస్ గా తీసుకుంటే we know the condition the sum of the distances of a point P from two perpendicular lines in a plane is mod x plus mod y is equal to 1. These conditions satisfied by the 4 points are 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 0 comma minus 1. These points forms a rhombus by checking 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0 0 comma 1 0. Yes, this is a rhombus. This is the first question. Next, second question. The transformed equation of 3x square plus 3y square plus 2xy is equal to 2 when the coordinate axes are rotated through an angle of 45 degrees is option A x square plus 2y square equal to 1, option B 2x square plus y square equal to 1, option C x square plus y square equal to 1, option D x square plus 3y square equal to 1. First of all, we know the formula transformation of x మనం ఫైండ్ చేయాలి అంటే మన తెలిసినటువంటి ఫార్ములా స్మాల్ x equal to cap x cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, small y equal to cap x sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. So that implies angle 45 degrees. We know the value of cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 45 1 by root 2. So the points are x equal to cap x minus capital Y by root 2, y equal to cap x plus capital Y by root 2. Substitute these two values in the given equation. 3 into x minus y by root 2 whole square plus 3 into x plus y by root 2 whole square plus 2 into x plus y by root 2 into x minus y by root 2 is equal to 2. This is in the form of a will take the three values in the common a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square. So 2x square plus 2y square by root 2 square 2 plus 2 into a plus b into a minus b a square minus b square. So 2 into x square minus y square by 2 equal to 2 cancels. Here we take the value 2 is in the common, 2 to cancel. 3 into x square 3x square plus 3 into y square 3y square plus x square minus y square is equal to 2. 3x square plus x square 4x square 3y square minus y square 2y square 4x square plus 2y square is equal to 2. I take a value 2 is in the common, so we get 2x square plus y square equal to 1. Second problem. Next, third problem. If L comma M comma N are in arithmetic progression, then the line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0 will pass through the point. Option A minus 1 comma 2, option B 1 comma minus 2, option C 1 comma 2, option D 2 comma 1. So by the given condition L comma M comma N are in AP, we know the formula. Arithmetic progression లో ఏమైనా 3 టర్మ్స్ A comma B comma C అనే వాల్యూస్ యొక్క arithmetic progression ఉంటే 2 into B equal to A plus C. So here 2 into M equal to L plus C. That is L minus 2m plus n equal to 0. This condition satisfies L into 1 plus m into minus 2 plus n equal to 0. The value of x, the value 1 comma minus 2. So the second point 1 comma minus 2 satisfies the given condition. So the right answer is option B. Next, fourth question. 2x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. 3x minus 4y minus 13 equal to 0. 8x minus 11y minus 33 equal to 0. Are congruent. We know the formula. If 3 values are congruent, then their integral value is 0. So first of all, 3 values equal to 0 చేసుకుంటే k value వస్తుంది. First of all, substitute చేసి చూద్దాం. Let of 2 minus 3 1 3 minus 4 minus 13 8 minus 11 minus 33. That implies 2 into minus 4 into minus 33 132 minus 11 into minus 13 143 minus 140 plus 3 into minus 99 plus 104 plus k into minus 33 plus 32 is equal to 0. 132 minus 143 minus 11 into 2 minus 22 plus 3 into 5 50 minus 1 into k minus k is equal to 0. So minus 7 minus k equal to 0. K equal to minus 7. Minus 7. Second option is right. Please note these are for problems. Next problem. The angle between the line joining the points 1 comma minus 2, 3 comma 2 and the line x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0 is option A pi, B pi by 2, C pi by 3, D pi by 6. First of all, we check the slope of the 2 points. We know the formula. The slope of 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is 2 minus of minus 2 by 3 minus 1. That is equal to 4 by 2, 2. Slope of the given line is minus a by b minus 1 by 2. Here we observe m1 equal to 2, m2 equal to minus 1 by 2. The product of two slopes equal to m1 into m2 equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1. If the product of two slopes is equal to minus 1, then the angle between the two lines is pi by 2. That means they are perpendicular. Next problem. If a of 2 comma minus 1 and b of 6 comma 5 are the 2 points, the ratio in which the foot of the perpendicular from 4 comma 1 to AB divides it is. So that means first of all we try that AB 2 comma minus 1 and 6 comma 5 from the point 4. We want to find the ratio of AD is to DB. First of all, the slope of AB is five minus 1 by 6 minus 2, that is equal to 6 by 4, 3 by 2. the equation of CD is y minus 1 equal to perpendicular slope, that equal to minus 2 by 2 into x minus x1, x minus 4, that equal to 3y minus 3 equal to minus 2x plus h. 2x plus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. The ratio, a line divides the 2 points in the ratio is minus L1 is to L2 minus of 2 into 2, 4, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 11 is to 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 5, 15, minus 10, 4 minus 3, 1, 1 minus 11, 10, minus 10, minus of minus, yes, 10 is to 27 minus 11, 16, that is equal to 5 is to 8. So the answer is second option, 5 is to 8. Next question. The lines x minus y minus 2 equal to 0, x plus y minus 4 equal to 0, and x plus 3y equal to 6 meet at the point, common point. Simply, first of all, we solve these two equations. X minus y minus 2 equal to 0, x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. First of all, I have these two lines equations. Y by cancel. 2x minus 6 equal to 0. That implies 2x equal to 6. That implies x equal to 3. If we substitute x value, x equal to 3 value in any equation, we get y equal to 1. So the intersection of these two points is 3, 1. These points also satisfies this condition. Suppose we check 3 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. So the answer is 3, 1. Common point is 3, 1. Next, 8th question. Equation of line passing through the point of intersection of the lines x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0, 2x plus 5y minus 7 equal to 0, and also perpendicular to the line 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ చూసుకుంటే మనం లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. ఆ లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0 and 2x plus 5y minus 7 equal to 0 అనే టూ లైన్స్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ద్వారా పాస్ అవుతుంది. అదే విధంగా ఆ లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 అనేది పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ we solve these two equations. Solving x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0 and 2x plus 5y minus 7 equal to 0. Minus 3, 2, 1, minus 3, 5, minus 7, 2, 5. X by 21 minus 10, 11. That equal to y by 2 4 plus 7, 11. That is equal to 1 by 5 plus 6, 11. So the point is x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. We know the formula. The equation of line passing through the point x1 comma y1 and also perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is b of x minus x1 minus a of y minus y1 is equal to 0. So here b value is 2 into x minus 1. A value is 3 minus 3 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 into x, 2x minus 3 into y, 3y. 2x minus 3y. 2 into minus 1. Simply we observe. Minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. So 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. The answer is first option. Next, if minus 2 comma 6 is the image of the point 4 comma 2 with respect to the line L equal to 0, then the line L is minus 2 comma 6 is the image of the point 4 comma 2. This is the given condition. So we have to find the line equation L equal to 0. First of all, the midpoint of 4 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 6 is 4 minus 2 by 2. 2 by 2 that is equal to 1. 2 plus 6 by 2. 8 by 2 that is equal to 4. Point value 1 comma 4. Adhe vidhanga slope of the points is 6 minus 2 by minus 2 minus 4 that is equal to 4 by minus 6 minus 2 by 3. Perpendicular slope is 3 by 2. Required line is required equation of line is equal to, we have a slope and also point. The formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x. Y minus 4 equal to 3 by 2 into x minus 1. That is 2y minus 8 equal to 3x minus 3. 3x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Next question. The incenter of the triangle formed by the lines x plus y equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 1 is, solving these three equations, we get the points 1 comma 1, 1 comma 0 and also 0 comma 1. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. A, B. AB equal to, the distance between the 2 points, AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the value is root of 1 minus 1 whole square, 0 square plus 1 square, 1, that equal to 1. Same as BC equal to distance between these 2 points, root 0 minus 1 whole square, 1, 1 minus 0 whole square, equal to root 2. AC is equal to distance between 0 comma 1 and 1 comma root 1, that equal to 1. We have the formula, the incenter of a triangle is ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. Here this is equal to c, this is equal to a, this is equal to a. We substitute these values in the given formula. A into x1, a value root 2 into x1 value 1, root 2 plus 1 plus 1 by b into x2, b into x2 1 and also c into x3, c value 1 into x3 0 by a plus b plus c 2 plus root 2. Similarly, a into y1, a into y1 root 2, b into y2, 1 into 0, 0 plus 1 by 2 plus root 2 plus 1 by root 2 of 4 plus 1. After cancelling, we get the point 1 by root 2 common 1 by root 2. Next, the reflection of 6 comma 8 about the line x equal to y is. We have the formula, the reflection of x comma y about the line x equal to y is y comma x. So the answer is 8 comma 6. Next, last and final, if the point of intersection of kx plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0, x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 lies on 2x plus 7y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the formula for concurrent condition. The intersection of two lines is lies on the third line, then they are concurrent. So the point of intersection of three lines is equal to 0. K 4 2 1 minus 3 5 2 7 minus 3 is equal to 0. K into 9 minus 35 minus 4 into minus 3 minus 10 plus 2 into 7 plus 6 is equal to 0. K into 9 minus 35 minus 26 minus 4 into minus 13 plus 2 into 13 equal to 0. K into minus 26 plus 52 plus 26 equal to 0. Minus 26k equal to minus 78 minus minus cancel